Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add a dollar sign in MS Excel. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, let's open Excel. Now select the desired row or column, whatever you want to convert into dollar sign. Okay, right click with your mouse and click on Format Cells. Now here, select number and under category select currency. Now besides symbols, select dollar or whatever currency you want to select. You can select it from here. I will go with dollars and just click on OK. That's it. As you can see, that's how you can add dollar sign in MS Excel. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.